Hey again, it's Craig here, eBay's Simple Guy. I own a store here called Odd Spot. It's in Burlington, Ontario, Canada, just outside Toronto, in between Toronto and Niagara Falls, actually. And basically, we sell records, we sell antique and vintage furniture here, and a little bit of odds and ends and whatnot. Anyway, what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to play 45 here that's going to be available on eBay. We're looking at, right now we're looking at something called, it looks like Jehovah Speak with Lightning and Thunder by YABBY Youth and the Sons of Jah, or Yah. It's a Jamaican record. It's on TR, groovemaster, 1975. This came out, and on the B-side it's a Jehovah Speak is the B-side. So we're going to play this guy for you. I don't know if the camera can see that. There looks like a light scratch there. We'll see how it plays. Other than that, it looks pretty decent overall, other than that light scratch. So the audio is just playing on some speakers below the camera, and if you hear any background noise, it's probably just customers or the dance studio next door. So we're going to play this for you. Hope you enjoy. I'm gonna blow some dust off the needle. Need a little brush, but yeah, that seemed to play pretty good. Pretty cool. We're gonna throw on, I guess this is side B, Jehovah Speak again. This looks like it's probably been played like once, maybe. It's pristine. And we're gonna throw that on now for you. So this will be on eBay. You'll be able to bid on it, and hope you enjoy. In some weird way, I kind of like that side better personally, but you know, I love that. I was really digging that organ. That was pretty cool. So there's the record there. Again, this looks pristine to me. I mean, I'm pretty nitpicky. This looks pretty good. I'll be sad to see that one go. That was a cool record. That was pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Again, Craig at Oddspot, Simple Guy on eBay, www.oddspot.ca. If you're ever in the area between Toronto and Niagara Falls, Canada, please feel free to come down. We got an amazing reggae record collection here, and all kinds of fun stuff. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.